that's how my question also starts. My first question for you.
Yes.
Ramya, you're known for comfortableness.
Oh,
Or
is it?
yeah.
Okay.
Or your style also. అంటే అంత కంఫర్టబుల్గా డ్రెస్ చేసుకొని వెరీ ఒథెంటిక్ వెరీ క్లాసీ అట్ ద సేమ్ టైమ్ ఆల్ వెరీ చిల్ అండ్ ఆల్.
Yeah.
సో is that how you approach fashion or is that how Gen Z
No.
is it a Gen Z thing?
డెఫినెట్లీ నాట్ ఎ జెన్జీ థింగ్. నాకు ఎలా అంటే ఎప్పుడైనా బయటకు వెళ్ళినా లేకపోతే నేను రూమ్లో ఉన్నా కూడా కొంచెం నాకు కంఫర్టబుల్గా ఐ షుడెంట్ ఫీల్ సఫోకేటెడ్ వెన్ ఐమ్ ఇన్ మై స్పేస్. సో నాకు ఊపిరి ఆడేలాగా నేను డ్రెస్ చేసుకుంటా కానీ బట్ ఇట్స్ నాట్ లైక్ యా ఇఫ్ ఐఎమ్ గోయింగ్ అవుట్ ఐ వాంట్ పీపుల్ టు లుక్ అట్ మీ అండ్ దెన్ గెట్ దట్ అటెన్షన్. నో, డెఫినెట్లీ నాట్. బట్ యా ఐ జస్ట్ లవ్ బీయింగ్ ఇన్ మై కోజీ సెల్ఫ్.
In the comfortable cozy self.
Just like how I am right now.
Yeah. So again follow up దానికే.
Yeah.
It's a millennial thing. When Facebook వచ్చినప్పుడు we used to put a lot in thought. అంటే ఏ డ్రెస్ వేసుకోవాలి ఫోటో దిగడానికి, ఇప్పుడు ప్రొఫైల్ పిక్ ఏ యాంగిల్లో ఉండాలి, వెనకాల బ్యాక్గ్రౌండ్ ఎలా ఉండాలి. We used to think a lot ఫేస్బుక్ డేస్లో. Now Instagramలో it's like you just click a selfie, you just do it, click a selfie.
Even if it is a drainage place, you're still posting
Exactly.
it randomly.
Yeah.
But I think not everyone does it. It depends on creators. Everaithe they're like, yeah, anything shit posting is fine. But I think everaina very professionally they want their page to look, or if they want wala page chala genuine ga kanpinchali ante they'll still do it. But background still matters. Background gani, dressing gani,
aesthetics.
Aesthetics.
So
This generation is all about aesthetics.
Yeah. So Ramya style ante, how do you do content?
Me, not really specific.
Just comfortable.
Not comfortable. Let me start. I open
Yeah.
my cupboard. Na cupboard open cheyangane naku I need something that will flash me. Like not bright or blingy or anything. కనిపించగానే ఏదైనా కంఫర్టబుల్ అగైన్ కంఫర్టబుల్గా కనిపిస్తుంది అనగానే ఐ గో. అండ్ వైట్ ఉండాలి బికాజ్ వైట్ ఇస్ సంథింగ్ ఐ లైక్. సో ఐ గ్రాబ్ ఫర్ అ వైట్ టీ షర్ట్ అండ్ దెన్ అ baggy pants and then go for something t-shirt or a sweatshirt. అలా వెళ్ళిపోతా.
So simple.
Very simple. No, I don't specifically go for a day before కానీ ఒకవేళ రేపు డ్రెస్ అవ్వాలంటే ఈరోజు ప్రిపేర్ అయ్యే అంత సీన్ అయితే నాకు లేదు. బట్ యా సో ఫార్ ఇఫ్ ఐ హ్యావ్ టు గో అవుట్ ఐ విల్ జస్ట్ ఓపెన్ ద కబర్డ్, ఐ విల్ టేక్ దెమ్ ఆఫ్ అండ్ పుట్ ఇట్ టుగెదర్.
Good. So ఇప్పుడు again you do all this comfortable stuff or whatever అంటే as long as it's your comfortable authentic self, you do it. Ramya does it.
Yeah.
So అసలు కాంటెంట్ క్రియేషన్ ఎలా స్టార్ట్ అయింది? హౌ డిడ్ యూ ఈవెన్ గెట్ ఇన్ టు దిస్ హోల్ థింగ్ ఆఫ్ దిస్?
Okay, I think this was when I was in my into first year. COVID time అవుతుంది.
Oh God.
Yeah.
You're
No, I did not do it because I wanted to become an influencer or a creator, something like that. I didn't have many people to talk. I don't know if this is to be said out loud, but I was bullied in many ways. I was harassed.
You?
Yeah, I did.
Oh, you're cute.
No, but yeah, I was thrown out of my own room and a lot of stuff happened. But if you put that aside, COVID time lo I was at home. అమ్మ నాన్న అన్నయ్య ఎప్పుడు అలానే ఉంటుంది. బట్ నాకు కొంచెం ఎలా హౌ డు ఐ సే ఇట్ టు ఫీల్ బెటర్, డాన్స్ వాజ్ ఆల్వేస్ సంథింగ్ ఐ లవ్ డూయింగ్ సిన్స్ చైల్డ్హుడ్ కానీ. సో అలా అనుకొని నేను డాన్స్ స్టార్ట్ చేసా. ఐ స్టార్టెడ్ పోస్టింగ్ డాన్స్ వీడియోస్ ఎవ్రీ డే ఆన్ మై ఇన్స్టాగ్రామ్. ఆల్మోస్ట్ 3 వీడియోస్ పోస్ట్ చేసేదాన్ని ఒక్క రోజుకి. యా 3 వీడియోస్ ఎవ్రీ డే. But then I think COVID tarvata and then I had to go to my college second year, intermediate second year. But I only started Instagram not because to have a fame thing or nothing like that. It was genuinely because I love dancing. I think everything started there. People started approaching me like saying ki Ramya ni fashion sense baundi, please let us know what you do, where do you get your clothes from, we want that opinion annattu. Everyone started asking then. And then I eventually realized yeah na fashion sense baundi, nenu maybe I should shift to
do that as well.
Yeah, and then I started doing both dance and fashion, and I think even now it's still running. It's almost like 5 years since I started this, and so far it's fun. Sometimes it is hectic. It is when you don't get the reach you're expecting,
Hmm.
or the brands that you're looking out for doesn't reach out to you, and then ఎప్పుడైనా ఎవరైనా కాల్ చేసి రమ్య మాకు మీ ఇంటెంట్ ఇవ్వండి
Hmm.
అడిగేసిన తర్వాత మళ్ళీ తర్వాత వాళ్ళు
Cold
approach
అయిపోతుంది.
అవ్వరు. సో అప్పుడు అట్లాంటి టైంలో దెల్ బి మోర్ స్ట్రెస్.
Hmm.
You'll be waiting for the call. Sometimes it's just your hope
Yeah.
when all your days are bad, but you still wait for that person to call or tell you that Ramya, we want you,
Hmm.
we have pitched your profile, we have confirmed. But I think so far right now I am forgetting all of that. ఇప్పటికైతే I am doing my work because I want to do it, because I love it. But I am not looking for any brands to approach or anything. But if they do approach, obviously I'll be the happiest. But I am not waiting,
Yeah.
is what I'll say. I'm genuinely happy where I am right now, and I will keep doing that.
That's actually a peaceful and a good place to be in. If it happens, it happens. If it doesn't happen, you're
Exactly.
good.
So నేను యాక్చువల్లీ ఒక స్టేజ్లో ఉండే వేర్ ఐ యూస్ టు క్రై ఆల్మోస్ట్ ఎవ్రీ సింగిల్ డే. ఎందుకంటే ఆ స్ట్రెస్ యూస్ టు బిల్డ్ అప్. నా డిగ్రీ అయిపోయిన తర్వాత ఐడ్ బి లైక్ హౌ ఐమ్ ఐ గోనా సక్సీడ్ ఇన్ లైఫ్. సో ఇట్స్ ఆల్వేస్ అబౌట్ ద ఫ్యూచర్. నేను ఏమైనా చేయగలుగుతానా లేదా అన్న థాట్తో ఉండేదాన్ని. కానీ మెల్లగా ఐ హ్యాడ్ మై కంఫర్ట్ పీపుల్. ఐ యూస్ టు టాక్ టు మై మామ్, డాడ్, మై ఫ్రెండ్స్. వాళ్ళు హెల్ప్ చేశారు అనుకోవాలి. ఇంకా దే వుడ్ బి లైక్ రమ్య ఇట్ డజంట్ వర్క్ అవుట్ లైక్ దాట్. అండ్ దెన్ నాకు ఒక రియలైజేషన్ వచ్చేది ఏమని అంటే దట్ yeah, I don't really have to stress myself on the future, Rani.
You're way too young to stress
Yeah.
about the future.
To be honest, yeah.
Make mistakes. I mean, that's how you enjoy life.
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah. So, there was many things that you put out while talking about content and your journey.
Yeah.
అందులో ఒకటి is the stress it builds up, or మీకు కావాల్సిన రీచ్ రాకపోతే, or నువ్వు అనుకున్న కాంటెంట్ పీస్ సరిగ్గా పర్ఫామ్ చేయకపోతే, when you thought that చాలా బాగా వచ్చింది, ఐ థింక్ పీపుల్ లైక్ ఇట్, అలాంటిది. సో ఇనీషియల్ రమ్య ఎలా రియాక్ట్ అయ్యేది? నౌ హౌ ఆర్ యూ కోపింగ్ అప్?
ఒకప్పుడైతే నేను నా ప్రొఫైల్ని పట్టుకుని దాన్నే స్క్రోల్ చేసుకుంటూ చూసేదాన్ని. అంటే అన్లెస్ ఐ సీ దట్ దెర్ ఇస్ రీచ్ అన్నట్టు ఐడ్ బీ లైక్ వాట్ బ్యాడ్ డిడ్ ఐ డూ, ఐడ్ స్టార్ట్ క్రయింగ్. ఐడ్ జస్ట్ బీ లైక్ if I can't do it now, then how else can I do it? If this is not better, then what is better? But right now, I think I am in a place where I'm like, see, I am putting my best out there. నా బెస్ట్ ఇచ్చిన తర్వాత వాళ్ళకి నచ్చకపోతే ఇట్స్ నాట్ ప్రాబబ్లీ దేర్ పీస్ ఆఫ్ కంటెంట్ దట్ దే ఆర్ లుకింగ్ ఫర్. బట్ I think I am still happy that people who are still there are still loving me. So I'm grateful at the moment. I'm grateful for every person out there who still comes up to me. No, I randomly go out and then I meet people and they're like, hey, you're Ramya, right? Oh my God, I did not expect to come across you. And then they start talking. So I think about people and I'm like, yeah, I don't think I should be focusing on my reach or people that are following me or my followers. All that matters right now is the content that I am posting, and if that is reaching to the right set of people that are looking out for me.
And the love you get in return.
Yeah.
So, ippude annavu kada, you go out and people do that. Yeah. So, when did that happen for the first time? You're like, oh, nenu ippudu famous. People ki nenu telusu. When did that happen?
So, I think idi oka 3 years kinda. I was still in my degree. Degree first year. నేను నార్మల్గా బయటికి వెళ్ళా, ఫారం మాల్, నెక్సెస్ ఇప్పుడు అయింది, నెక్సెస్ మాల్లో ఉన్నా. అండ్ దెన్ వన్ ఆఫ్ ది పర్సన్ కేమ్ బై అండ్ దే వర్ లైక్, హే ఆంటీ యూ రామ్య, అండ్ ఐమ్ లైక్ యా. Then she goes like, oh my God, I'm a biggest fan. And then I was like, okay, this is happening, that is not true అన్నట్టు అనిపించింది. But yeah, it happened. That was the first time I met someone virtually. I mean, is it called virtually? I don't know. But yeah, that's the first time I've met someone and they really showed their genuinity and I was there.
Yeah. So talking about genuinity and followers, నీకున్న ఫాలోవర్ బేస్ ఇప్పుడు ఇట్స్ లైక్ వెరీ క్లోజ్ కమ్యూనిటీ దట్ యూ హ్యావ్. లైక్ నువ్వు చెప్పినట్టు దే అప్రిషియేట్ యువర్ స్టైల్, దే అప్రిషియేట్ యువర్ డాన్స్, దే కీప్ కామెంటింగ్, ఆ బాండ్ ఉంది. So how do you maintain that authenticity with your followers? How do you do that?
This thing is that I actually do reply to people. I reply to some of my followers that I feel like, you know, are not gonna cringe me out. So వాళ్ళకి రిప్లై ఇస్తా ఎప్పుడైనా, and I ask their opinion on my podcast channel. People are like, maybe do that, maybe try this. Excuse me. So
Water.
no. I take opinions from my like
Community.
yeah, and they are very good to me. So that is there. ఏదైనా ఉన్నప్పుడు I still try to ask them up and take their opinion. ఇప్పుడు నేనే నా ఒపీనియన్ పెట్టేస్తే వాళ్ళకి they'll be like, dude, she's already doing it. What is the use? We are here.
It's a two-way communication that you do. Nice. ఇప్పుడు it goes without saying that when you get so much love,
Yeah.
you'll also get the hatred or the hate comments or people saying, ఏం చేస్తున్నావు నువ్వు.
Yeah.
So did you, of course you must have came through it, and at such a young age,
Yeah.
how did you used to cope? Ante
There's one good thing about me is I don't go through my comments until yeah, no, but I do go through my comments. I only look for the positive ones, and I am literally so grateful and thankful that people out there are so many people who will still support me and be like, dude, you're not supposed to say that, not supposed to do that. So adi oka namakam undi, there are people who are still out there who are good and will look good for me annattu. And when it comes to the days I have took a lot of bad comments, that was when one of my videos went viral. That I don't remember which one it was, but yeah, ellinappudu it was like, you know, I had to read the comments and most of it would be like very bad. Dude, what are you even doing? It has no meaning. ఏం చేస్తుంది అసలు వీడియోలో, ఏం లాభం లేదు, you are too young, you probably must be 13, 12. And they'd start talking shit about my parents. That is obviously not acceptable. But yeah, అవన్నీ వచ్చినప్పుడు I'd cry. That's one thing. So it's not like you can do anything better than that. But I think most of the times I don't look at the bad comments. That's good for me.
Now you're focusing only on good things.
Good. But mostly also, even if it's not the days that I don't, mostly I look for the positive ones. ఇంకా ఎప్పుడైనా నాకు ఎక్కువ కామెంట్స్ వస్తే ఇగ్నోర్ చేసేస్తా. అంటే ఇప్పుడు నేను ఒక్కొక్కటి స్క్రోల్ చేసుకుంటూ వెళ్తే ఎవరో ఒకరు అంటానే ఉంటారు ఆబ్వియస్లీ. సో నేను మోస్ట్గా ఏం చేస్తా అంటే, గుడ్ కామెంట్స్ ఐల్ రిప్లై, బ్యాడ్ కామెంట్స్ ఐల్ ఇగ్నోర్, బికాస్ people are already dealing with it for me. People that I know in my community, they're already dealing it for me. So I'll say that is the good thing for me, and I'm grateful for them.
Yeah, I think it's a good thing to have people fighting for you.
Yeah, because usually it's very tough.
Yeah.
And there are no one to back you up. But when you have that backup, I think you feel like the world is just perfect for you. So that is there.
Okay, too much of heavy conversation.
Yes.
Let's go back to our millennial and Gen Z thing.
Yes.
So what is that ఫ్యాషన్ కాంటెంట్ ఎక్కువ చేస్తావు కాబట్టి మిలేనియల్స్ చేసింది ఇదెందుకు ఉండే, వై వాజ్ దిస్ ఈవెన్ ఎ ఫ్యాషన్ ట్రెండ్ బ్యాక్ దెన్ అనిపించింది.
స్కినీ జీన్స్. ఓ మై గాడ్, స్కినీ జీన్స్. నేను ఎప్పుడు అనుకోలేదు ఇది చెప్తున్నాను, కానీ స్కినీ జీన్స్, ఐ మీన్ ఇట్స్ క్యాన్ స్టిల్ బీ స్టైల్, బట్ ఐ స్టిల్ ఫీల్ లైక్ స్కినీ జీన్స్ సమ్వేర్ గివ్ యూ దాట్ డిగ్రేడ్. ఒక పర్సన్ వేసుకోగానే యూ స్టార్ట్ జడ్జింగ్. So
okay.
I think that is one thing. If it was, then baggy jeans had to be the first thing rather than skinny jeans. But yeah, it's that.
Does it have to do with your bias towards comfort?
I think yeah. Because I mean, skinny jeans వేసుకున్నప్పుడు ఊపిరి కూడా ఆడవు మీ కాళ్ళకి. I mean, how are you even wearing them? You can't give them rest, and also your how do you say, your knees hurt because అవి టైట్గా కూర్చుని ఉండిపోతాయి బాడీకి. మీరు కాళ్ళు సరిగ్గా కంఫర్ట్గా పెట్టలేరు. యూ కాంట్ స్ప్రెడ్ దెమ్, యూ కాంట్ ఫోల్డ్ దెమ్. I think that is one reason.
As a millennial, it hurts. It physically hurts me.
I am so sorry. She's literally wearing skinny jeans. Shoot.
Because it used to be one of our staple.
Yeah.
Blue skinny jeans.
Yeah.
It's a go-to thing, wardrobe lo.
Everyone used to have one, but I think generation.
Yeah, generation.
But then yeah, I was one of that person who would wear a lot of skinny jeans. But you know. But yeah.
No, it's okay. So, same question. What is that one thing about Gen Z fashion that you hate? Why are they even doing this?
I can't really recall.
Come on, there has to be something.
There definitely are gonna be 1,000 things I hate, because Gen Z is definitely not for me either.
You are one.
But I don't fit in exactly, to be honest.
Okay.
Like, yeah, I mean, I may be Gen Z, but then I am not that person who would still use all the words that come out, laughing my ass off, LOL.
Or the skibbity, scoobity doo.
No skibbity. What is skibbity? Skibbity. Yeah, not skibbity. Definitely not. You'll never see me use such words.
So, what is the most Gen Z word you use always? Don't say yapping.
Oh my god.
Oh my god is such a millennial thing.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay, let me think. I am probably gonna be like this, and I'll be like, yeah, thinking.
We'll put that thinking emoji.
Yeah, processing. What is it? What was the question again? What is the
Gen Z
word that I use?
That you use. Okay, loading.
Yeah, it's still loading. I really can't think. I need words, and then I'll be like, oh yeah, that is the word.
Yapping is one.
Yeah, yapping is definitely the one. What are the other words?
నువ్వే చెప్పాలి నాకేం తెలియదు.
I mean, yeah, I am a Gen Z, but నేను ఎక్కువ
Not exactly a Gen Z.
వాడా. ఒకవేళ if I was exactly the Gen Z, by now you would have got like tons of words.
Crazy things that I needed somebody to explain me.
Oh wait, I think I just said a few words like googly, and what was the other ones?
It's okay, Ramya.
Yeah.
We'll take yapping. We'll take
I am literally struggling.
We'll take yapping for now. It's okay.
Yes, yapping. Definitely yapping.
Yeah. So follow-up question. అంటే డిఫరెంట్ సెగ్మెంట్ జెన్ జీ నుండి బయటకు వచ్చేద్దాం మనం విల్ లుక్ ఎట్ ఫ్యాషన్ ఇండస్ట్రీ ఆర్ ఫ్యాషన్ ఇన్ఫ్లుయెన్సెస్ యాజ్ అ హోల్.
ఓకే.
సో ఇండియన్ ఫ్యాషన్ ఇన్ఫ్లుయెన్సెస్ ఆర్ నాట్ అవుట్ దేర్ యెట్ ఈజ్ వన్ కామన్ థింగ్ దట్ ఎవ్రీబడి అగ్రీస్ టు. వై డూ యూ థింక్ దట్ ఇస్?
I'll not say I am any better at fashion. Because
but your comments and community say otherwise.
I think the only reason వాళ్ళు చెప్పడానికి ఏంటంటే because I have those baggy stuff, if not the girly Y2K, but definitely I wouldn't say I'm completely the fashion creator. It's just the basic fashion I have. అదే మీరు మిగతా వాళ్ళని నార్త్ సైడ్ చూడండి, ఐఎమ్ నాట్ సేయింగ్ దట్ దే ఆర్ ద పీపుల్, బట్ అదే మీరు నార్త్ సైడ్ నోటీస్ చేస్తే దే లిటరలీ స్టైల్ ఎవ్రీథింగ్, ఈవెన్ అ పీస్ ఆఫ్ బెల్ట్. బట్ we just layer them. Tank top వేసుకుంటారు, you wear another shirt on top and then you wear a baggy jeans or a skirt. Yeah, that is cute. So fashion sense in that way I will come, but fashion sense in a higher level where all those creators are there, no, I wouldn't relate there. I'm not trying to degrade myself at this point. I'm only saying that their fashion is completely the fashion people are supposed to talk.
Ours is everyday fashion.
Yeah, everyday fashion.
Affordable,
and basic,
daily.
Yeah.
Copyable fashion.
Pinterest. No, but definitely I don't go through Pinterest for my outfits. I just go with whatever feels like, Sometimes you will actually notice where my profile is all about mismatched clothes. You'll never see me like, okay, she's wearing everything together, like it's put together. No. There are times that I mix up all the colors and I wear, and I think most of the people don't like it, but I think it's my comfort. I just go with it.
Okay. దీని నుండే నాకు ఒక క్వశ్చన్ వచ్చింది ఇప్పుడు. ఈజ్ ఇట్ ద జెన్ జీ థింగ్ అగైన్ టు జస్ట్ నాట్ mismatch and not give a damn about how well put
I think
it is?
Definitely. నేను చూసినంత వరకు అయితే ఇప్పటి జనరేషన్లో I think they stopped giving too much attention to people, వాళ్ళ జడ్జ్మెంట్స్ని కానీ, అయ్యో వాళ్ళు ఏమనుకుంటారు, ఇప్పుడు నేను ఇలాంటి బట్టలు వేసుకుంటున్నా, అలాంటి బట్టలు వేసుకుంటున్నా. ఇప్పుడు అమ్మలే మనం లూజ్ టీ షర్ట్స్ వేసుకుంటాం ఇంట్లో, ఎందేళ్ళు బీలే ఎవరు టీ షర్ట్ తీసుకొచ్చా, నాన్నదా ఏంటిది ఇది లూజ్గా వేసుకుంటున్నావు అన్నట్టు ఉంటుంది. బట్ నార్మల్గా అయితే ఇప్పుడైతే ఆపేశారు గివింగ్ డామ్స్ టు పీపుల్, సేయింగ్ దట్ అరే వాళ్ళు ఏమో అనుకుంటారు, నేను బట్టలు ఇలా వేసుకోవద్దు అలా వేసుకోవద్దు. సో యా, they'll just go. You'll see people wearing night shorts and going to
I know,
places.
and
So it's chill.
we could never do that. It's
Yeah.
not chill. It's like disrespect. Oh my god.
Yeah, I mean, I understand. But I am also that person who would never go just like that. Even if I'm wearing a basic shorts, I'll make sure I'm style. Like, you know, wearing a crop top or a oversized t-shirt with socks and shoes and a bag. So it's still style. So you're making sure ki it's not going basic, ఏదో నైట్ షార్ట్స్ వేసుకొని వెళ్ళిపోతున్నా అన్నట్టు
Stylish night shorts.
It gives more Pinterest code, but yeah, more like you're still styling and going.
Pinterest code, New Gen Z word.
Yeah,
That you just used.
okay.
Continue.
No, it makes sense. And I was saying, I forgot.
Sorry. You were saying about fashion being effortless.
Yeah, and yeah, even to a grocery store, if I had to go, I'd wear something nice and go. బట్ నార్మల్గా అయితే ఎవరైనా గ్రాసరీ స్టోర్కి వెళ్ళాలంటే ఏదో ఒకటి వేసుకొని వెళ్తారు కదా. నేను అలా కాదు. నేను వార్డ్రోబ్కి వెళ్ళి ఏముంది ఇప్పుడు, ఏ బ్యాగీ జీన్స్ వేసుకోవాలి, ఏ టీ షర్ట్ వేసుకోవాలి, ఐ మీన్ స్కర్ట్ అయితే వేసుకొని వెళ్ళలేను కదా ఆబ్వియస్లీ. పీపుల్ ఆర్ గోనా గ్లేర్ అట్ మీ అండ్ లైక్, dude, she's come to a grocery store.
I
what
know.
is she
What's so
wearing?
fancy about this?
Yeah, obviously. So I'll just wear something casual and go to a grocery store.
But millennial ga, like what we used to give a lot of thought about that as well.
Yeah.
బయటికి వెళ్తున్నాం, జనాల్లోకి వెళ్తున్నాం, ఈవెన్ ఇఫ్ ఇట్ ఇద్దరు ఉన్నా కానీ మంచిగా వెల్ పుట్ టుగెదర్, టాప్ ఏంటి, ప్యాంట్ ఏంటి, ఏం పెట్టుకుంటున్నావు, ఈవెన్
You need to be
యాక్సెసరీస్.
very groomed.
Yeah.
And you're like, dude, చూడంగానే అమ్మాయి పద్ధతిగా ఉంది, బాగుంది అన్నట్టుగా
Not
impression.
పద్ధతి, it's like okay, she's going out, she's serious. We were grown up like that, so I'm proud of this generation for doing what we couldn't do.
I mean, you could say that. I don't know. But yeah, a little.
Yeah, at least you're trying.
I mean, there are times at this point, okay, I think this topic is getting diverted.
It's okay.
But at this point, I think Gen Z are trying to connect with their families, which millennial couldn't do. Not trying to, you know,
It's
what
okay.
was I
Ouch.
saying? Not trying
Parle.
to target or anything. But I think we talk a lot. We gossip a lot to our parents. Or I don't know if it is just me. But yeah, I gossip a lot to my mom. I call her, even today, I called her. I'm like, Amma, నేను పాడ్కాస్ట్కి వెళ్తున్నా, తర్వాత నేను రూమ్కి వెళ్తా అన్నట్టు. So almost 1 hour to half an hour, I gossip to my mom every single day. Not for her to, no, they're very chill. My dad literally, okay, this is very controversial, but
It's okay.
my dad is like, he'll give me list of pubs in Hyderabad and he'll be, you go. And I'm like, Dad, I'm not that person. So my mom, my dad are very chill. But my brother, being a brother, he's like the 90s kids. He is very innocent, very, very. And I have to deal with my brother rather than dealing with my mom and dad. And it's so weird, you know.
Being innocent is good.
No, but then he doesn't let me do things.
You don't want to do things.
No, I do want to do things. I want to go on trips, and my mom, my dad are okay with me going on a trip, and my brother is like, why do you have to go? One day he's like, Sharamunda. I'm like, what? Did you just say that? And then I call my mom immediately after he cuts. Amma, Anna నీ దగ్గర ఉన్నాడా? She's laughing. Yeah. And I go like, what the heck is wrong with Chinna? Why is he telling me that శరం లేదా? And she goes like, లేదు వాడు నువ్వు చెప్పలేదు కదా వాడికి, అందుకు కొంచెం అప్సెట్ అయినట్టున్నాడు, అందుకు అన్నాడు అని. But usually I take like permission, no.
Information.
I inform them. Yeah.
I think it's a brother-sister cute thing, not a millennial
No,
Gen Z
but
thing.
the thing is, we don't fight. But he disagrees with the things I have to do. At a point, he was not okay with what I am doing at the moment. content creation. He was very against, but eventually he started being very proud of me. He was like, dude, I am jealous of you, you're doing that. Like, yeah, I am your sister. But yeah, he's very happy, he's very proud of me.
మేబీ ఇట్ కమ్స్ ఫ్రమ్ అ పాయింట్ వేర్ కాంటెంట్ క్రియేషన్ ఇస్ న్యూ, మనకెవరు
Yeah.
తెలీదు. బయట యు ఆర్ పుట్టింగ్ యువర్ సెల్ఫ్ అవుట్ దేర్ టు స్ట్రేంజర్స్ టు
Yeah.
జడ్జ్
And also
ఇన్ అ వే.
he's possessive.
Huh.
Like నువ్వు ఒక్కరికి కాదు అందరికి చూస్తున్నావు, వీడియోస్ అందరు చూస్తారు, తప్పుగా మాట్లాడతారు, నీ కామెంట్ సెషన్ విల్ బి ఫిల్డ్ విత్ బ్యాడ్ పీపుల్. హీ ఈజ్ లైక్, నేను అబ్బాయిని, అబ్బాయి మెంటాలిటీ ఎట్లుంటుందో నాకు తెలుసు. అండ్ ఐ విల్ గో లైక్, సరే నేను అమ్మాయిని, నాకు అమ్మాయిల మెంటాలిటీ తెలుసు. No, but then he doesn't go to girls, so that's one thing. But yeah,
That's
he's
cute.
very
Huh.
possessive. He's good to me, always good.
Yeah, you
Even now when I have to go home, my brother or my dad pick me up and drop me home. So it's like, I live in Karnataka, no? సో వాళ్ళే వచ్చి పిక్ చేసుకోవాలి, వాళ్ళే వచ్చి నన్ను డ్రాప్ చేస్తారు. దే వోంట్ లెట్ మీ డూ ఎనీథింగ్ అలోన్ ఇఫ్ ఇట్స్ లాంగ్ డిస్టెన్స్. సో దాట్స్ గుడ్.
that's cute. And you kind of answered my question already, so I wanted to know, like,
వేర్ ఐ ఎమ్ ఫ్రమ్?
no. We'll come to that. That's a good question too.
No, you already know I come from Karnataka. Yeah.
So, it was what started as fun. Just పెట్టి చూద్దాం 3 videos, just dance videos. What started as fun is your full-time thing now. You're a
Yeah.
content creator.
No, I actually wanted to pursue MBA. I couldn't. Things weren't fine. See, people think that girl is wealthy, she's doing fine. I'll be open. Things weren't fine at home too. But I think I coped up with it. I was like, Dad, I'll not do it. I told I'll take a year gap. But now I've come to a realization that I don't want to do MBA anymore. I don't want to study further at all. Nor do I want to go out, nor do I want to, pursue such thing like studies or
No
anything.
exams, no studies.
No. I just want to chill. Even if this work right now is not going to succeed for me or not going to work out for me, I told my mom recently that I'm just going to come home, chill, do my thing. I don't have to earn money. I'll just sit. That's all I say. But I'm not saying I'll not be independent.
Yeah.
But you have that thought at times where you're like, dude, what if I don't do things? So rather than me wanting to stress on it, I want to be like, it's okay. If it doesn't work out, I'll still be home. I'll go home, do something there. I don't necessarily have to pursue what I'm doing right now and be like, nakidi success avali, I need fame. No, I'll not say that. But I'm still happy with anything that comes my way.
This reminds me of something, the answer that you just said. So there was this thing, boomers chased after money,
Okay.
millennials chased after success.
Okay.
Now Gen Z is chasing after self-love
Okay.
or me.
Makes sense.
Huh.
It makes sense.
So your answer like fits right into that.
I think it's about rather being very peaceful than wanting to stress about things. Because అప్పటి జనరేషన్లో ఎలా ఉండేదంటే, మీరు ఇది చేయాలి, అది చేయాలి, you need to make money. I mean, you still need to make money. But అప్పట్లో it was very particular. Right now it's very chill. So. And since my parents are also chill, I am very grateful for them. But,
So chill. Okay. But since we were discussing about money and all,
Yeah.
and since content creation full time చేస్తున్నావు కాబట్టి ఇప్పటికి
Okay.
brand collaborations, the only way, అంటే
Only
majority,
way I can,
only
yeah.
way you can earn money, or the majority thing that contributes to your revenue is
yeah.
brand collaborations, sorry. సో ఎలాంటి బ్రాండ్స్ చూస్ చేసుకుంటావు నువ్వు?
I think I'll go more for fashion.
Of course.
Yeah, and then music వాళ్ళు రీచ్ అవుట్ అవుతారు. ఎలా అంటే, ఒకవేళ ఏమైనా సాంగ్ వచ్చింది, దే హ్యావ్ రిలీజ్ ద సాంగ్ అండ్ దే వాంట్ దాట్ సాంగ్ టు గో వైరల్, దే విల్ రీచ్ అవుట్ టు క్రియేటర్స్ and they'll
hook step things.
Yeah, they'll give us a hook step and they'll be like, మీరు ఇది చేయండి, this the payment and all, and then we get to do that. So I go for dance, fashion, and sometimes it's about self-care. Not like that, but like makeup. So that's the 3 things And I think that is the only 3 things that
are in your profile and
no,
well,
not just in profile. Okay, in the market.
in the market.
But
Okay.
I see, no, now I am like, no, there's also food and traveling.
Automobiles, there's a lot
Yeah.
of things, but in your profile these 3
Yeah,
will
these
fit.
3 are
Yeah.
something I focus on more.
So when you took your first brand collaboration, you need not take పేరు అవసరం లేదు, బట్ వర్ యూ వరీడ్ అంటే ఇప్పటి వరకు చేయలేదు, ఇంతమంది ఆడియన్స్ వచ్చారు, ఇంత ఫాలోవర్స్ ఉన్నారు, వాట్ విల్ దే థింక్, విల్ దే జడ్జ్?
No, I wasn't worried about వాళ్ళు ఏమనుకుంటారని, కానీ నేను ఇది చేయగలుగుతానా అని ఒక వరి ఉండేది. ఎందుకంటే పెద్ద బ్రాండ్ వచ్చింది, దాన్ని ఎలా చేయాలి, విల్ ఐ గివ్ దెమ్ ద మార్క్ దే ఆర్ లుకింగ్ ఫర్, విల్ ఐ రీచ్ దేర్ సాటిస్ఫాక్షన్ ఫ్యాక్టర్ అని ఒకటి ఉండేది. కానీ ఐ వాజ్ లైక్, ఓకే, ఐ am putting myself out there. Now I'll say that, but back then I didn't have that much knowledge. But yeah, I did it in a way ki maybe brand approve చేయదేమో అని భయం ఉంటుంది. But eventually they agreed. They were like, Ramya, this, that, but figured out eventually. But it was fun.
Nice. You know, brands love creators like you who actually understands why brand మీ దగ్గరకు వచ్చింది, because you have a community, because you have audience and you know what to do.
And also sometimes it's hectic. A brand reaches out or a song promotion kosam, we send a lot of videos, but they'll not approve even one.
Yeah.
And it's like, you know, you're already on the edge. You put your soul, heart, everything, and sometimes their deadline is tomorrow. You give the work today and their deadline is tomorrow.
Yeah.
How am I supposed to finish that?
I know.
And when I do give them the product they're looking for, and they're like, no, Ramya, this is not fitting our, and then I have to start again from scratch. It breaks me down. But then in the end, I think me working hard towards what I'm doing is very important for me. So that's there. I stop I stop my sentences in between, and that is so weird.
No,
I'm
no,
wondering how bad the podcast is gonna turn out.
No, it'll be good.
Yeah.
You're actually giving, I mean, it's quite good.
No. మీరు తెలుగులో మాట్లాడమన్నారు, నాకు తెలుగునే
పర్వాలేదు.
ఇంగ్లీష్లో మాట్లాడు.
పర్లేదు, ఒక స్టేట్మెంట్ ఉంది కదా, ఐఎమ్ ఫ్రమ్ కర్ణాటక, డిస్క్లైమర్, షీస్ ఫ్రమ్ కర్ణాటక. Okay, we were
Can I
discussing.
say that I love your office now?
Yeah. How do we bring it?
Yeah, I was like, how do I bring the topic? So, see, this is not like I am trying to butter you or something, but genuinely,
You don't get anything.
No, exactly. But then still, they're gonna be like, dude, she did a podcast, so she's trying to butter. But no, it's not like that. The moment I was up, I was still looking where that is, because there's terrace on the other side.
Yeah.
So I was like, okay, that is Starburst. And then I open the door and I can already feel the peace, and I'm like, I got it. And then I come inside and Neha is there and she takes me in, and I start yapping to her, dude, your office is so good. Where is your boss? I don't see her. She goes like, yeah, the boss is coming. And then I am like, but place is really nice. How do you guys like it here? Do you enjoy and all? But yeah, I think I absolutely love your space. It's very comforting.
Thank
it
you.
gives me core at least.
Yeah, that's... Oh.
Yeah, it does. I feel very homely, I can say. No, for real. This is the first time I've been here, but I feel very homely because you guys are very lovely. You talk to me, and though I am very younger to you guys, you still cope up with me. So that is all I
had years of practice. You saw my team.
Oh yeah.
They're all your age, so I
But
had
you are
practice.
lovely. You're really cool.
Record this, show it to everybody. All the
Yeah. No, but then really, the first time I've met you was in Meta. Since then till today, I'll still say the same. You're really cool.
Thank you.
Yeah. And I think Neha also admits that you're really cool, and you are.
Thank you
There are
so much.
too
So
many
much coolness in this.
Yeah. No, but I had to put it out there for you to know.
Yeah, thank you.
Because-
Appreciate it. You're cool as well, and I like your style.
Thank you. I love Starburst.
Yeah. She said it. There, she said it.
I love Starburst.
I love you.
Yeah. Amazing.
Now, going back to you.
Going back to the podcast. Yes.
Going back to the podcast, your brand collaborations and all, it's amazing. So, నేను అడగాలనుకున్న క్వశ్చన్ ఏంటంటే, స్టార్టింగ్లో లైక్ యూ సెడ్ యూఆర్ స్టిల్ ఫిగరింగ్ అవుట్ ఈ బ్రాండ్కి ఎలా చేయొచ్చు ఏంటి అని, బట్ దెన్ అట్ ద సేమ్ టైమ్ యూ బిల్ట్ యువర్ ఆడియన్స్.
Yeah.
So it's like, so all your collaborations that I see are very much aligned with your content. అదే సపరేట్గా ఒక బ్రాండ్ ప్రమోట్ చేస్తున్నట్టు పర్టికులర్గా చూస్తే కానీ అర్థం కాదు. సో హౌ డిడ్ యూ క్రాక్ దట్ కోడ్?
I did not really crack that code, to be honest.
So how do you do it?
I am lucky, I guess. I don't accept brands that make me feel like that is not my piece of content that is supposed to be posted. ఇప్పుడు ఎవరో గేమింగ్ వాళ్ళు వచ్చి రమ్య డూ ఇట్ ఫర్ మీ అంటే obviously, and then there are some betting apps that will reach out, and I feel like that is so weird. Dude, someone else will take it for me. But that is definitely not something that'll go on my post. My content is fashion, music, like dance చేయడం కానీ or skin care and all, I'll do that. అక్కడి వరకు వచ్చేసరికి I'll take any brand that comes into my criteria. But if it is not something that's not gonna fit my Instagram profile, I'm like, I'm sorry, I can't do it. అంతే. కానీ there's nothing like I cracked a code. Definitely not. I guess I was lucky in that case.
I think you figured it out unconsciously.
Probably. Or my unconscious mind just didn't let it happen. But yeah.
Maybe it's a chill thing. So we have a set of viral questions for you. Not viral, this or that questions for you.
Okay.
So the instructions here says just go with the gut, no thinking.
Okay.
Instagram Reels or YouTube Shorts?
Instagram Reels.
Bangalore weather or Hyderabad biryani?
Hyderabad. Please. Hyderabad biryani. Definitely.
Oh, you're a foodie.
Yes, I love eating. Every 2 hours I'm hungry. Every 2 hours or probably 1 hour. I need junk food or fruits, anything. I just need something in my plate.
You realize it's been more than an hour.
No, right now I am not hungry because I've traveled a little. So, shoot. Yeah.
Saree or lehenga for a wedding look?
Lehenga.
Netflix binge or exploring new cafes?
Exploring, definitely.
Sneakers or Kolhapuris?
Sneakers.
Of course. Stupid question.
I literally own like 15 pairs of shoes.
How do you decide what to wear?
I think I go randomly. I look for my clothes first and then go with my shoes. I have like New Balance 550s, Jordans, and a Dunks, and a lot of Nike stuff.
I see that. Huh?
But yeah, 1 Jordan and 2 Crocs, and that's. But mostly I own a lot of Nike.
It's tough. So for me, for somebody who's fashionably challenged, what do you call
Fashionable?
No. Challenged at being fashionable.
Okay.
I don't know.
I don't know what it is called. We're both bad at this. Okay.
So for me to put an outfit together, it takes so much thought. Idem eskali, em petkali, idem jali. So how do you do that with those many
Things
sneakers?
together? I don't know. Maybe
just
I
comes.
don't accessorize it properly, but I just go with my guts. Sometimes there are times people call me and they're like, Ramya, I'm nearby and get ready in 5 minutes. I get ready in 2 minutes and I am down waiting for them. They're like, dude, we are still stuck in traffic. Can you just wait for a little while? I'm like, dude, I'm dressed and I'm already down waiting for you guys. That happens a lot.
I
too.
think it just comes.
Yeah.
We are all challenged.
నో
Handicap.
బట్ దెన్ నేను ఎప్పుడు నీట్గా డ్రెస్ అవుతా అంటే నేను తొందరలో ఉన్నప్పుడు బట్టలు కరెక్ట్గా స్టైల్ చేస్తా. అదే నాకు టైం ఉంది అనుకోండి 1 అవర్ అయినా నేను అక్కడే కూర్చుంటా బట్టలు ఎత్తుక్కొని అరే ఇది పోతుందా ఇది అవుతుందా అరే సెట్ అవ్వట్లేదు. ఐ విల్ వేర్ 1 అవుట్ఫిట్ ఐ విల్ బి లైక్ అరే ఇది బాగాలేదు నేను ఇంకో అవుట్ఫిట్ చేంజ్ చేస్తా. సో నాకు టైం ఉన్నప్పుడు నేను డ్రెస్ సరిగ్గా చేయను. అదే నాకు 5-10 minutes టైం ఉంది అనగా ఏదో ఒకటి పిక్ చేసుకొని వేసుకుంటా అండ్ దట్ విల్ టర్న్ అవుట్ ది బెస్ట్ అవుట్ఫిట్ ఫర్ సమ్ రీజన్.
Idle mind is devil's workshop. So time unta you keep thinking ఇది బాలేదు అది బాలేదు ఇది మారుద్దాం.
అండ్ ఆల్సో ఫర్ మీ వెన్ ఐ హ్యావ్ లెస్ క్లోత్స్ ఐమ్ వెరీ క్రియేటివ్ ఎలా వేసుకోవాలి అనేది. ఐ రియలైజ్ దిస్ వెన్ ఐ వాజ్ అట్ హోమ్ అండ్ ఐ హ్యావ్ లెస్ క్లోత్స్ దేర్ బికాస్ మోస్ట్ ఆఫ్ మై క్లోత్స్ ఆర్ హియర్. సో అక్కడ ఉన్న క్లోత్స్తో నేను మంచిగా స్టైల్ చేసుకుంటా లేయర్ అవుట్ చేయడం కానీ. అండ్ ప్రీవియస్లీ ఐ యూస్ టు బీ మై కోర్ వాజ్ మోర్ ఆఫ్ టామ్ బాయిష్ అవుట్ఫిట్స్. But now I think it's the age that I am getting into.
Okay. Let's
No. I think it's the 20s that I'm getting into right now. So, okay.
Okay, this is not tomboyish.
No, probably a little.
మా భాషలో this is tomboyish.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, getting back. Street shopping at Sarojini Nagar or luxury brands at GVK Mall?
Street shopping.
Thrifts.
Depends. Because street shopping, I don't mostly do it, but I need to find the right pieces. ఒకవేళ అక్కడ దొరకలేదంటే దెన్ ఆబ్వియస్లీ ప్రిఫర్ నాట్ లగ్జరీ బ్రాండ్స్ ఐల్ గో విత్ సంథింగ్ దట్ ఫిట్స్
Winged eyeliner or a bold lipstick look?
ఐ డోంట్ యూస్ బోత్స్
If you had to choose for your wedding, maybe.
నాట్ బోల్డ్ లిప్స్టిక్ బట్ ఐల్ గో విత్ గ్లాస్ నాట్ లైనర్ యాజ్ వెల్ యా గ్లాస్ ఐ థింక్ గ్లాస్ ఇస్ దిస్ థింగ్ దట్
Gloss is the Gen Z thing?
Gen Z thing
It is in now?
Yeah.
Okay.
Do you not notice a lot of people using gloss, lipstick, and gloss?
Like I told you, I'm...
Millennial. And it's difficult to find people.
Now that has been established.
Yeah.
South Indian thali or a continental breakfast brunch?
South Indian thali.
Festive ethnic wear or a comfy street style? Don't even answer.
Comfy street style, obviously.
Road trips or staycations?
Oh, road trips, definitely, 100%.
You do a lot of road trips?
No, I don't get
You would
that
love to.
option. But yeah, when I do go, we go out and chill. Mostly look out for views, stay there for a while, and then move to a different place.
What's your favorite road trip that you did till now? Or
I think it was a Shimla trip from my school back then when I was in 7th grade.
you guys went to Shimla in 7th?
I studied in a
Maximum
international
मैं
school.
मिली Wonderland in 7th.
But I think 7th grade was the last time they even introduced trips because after that there was an incident here that happened. ఒక డ్యామ్ ఓపెన్ అయిపోయి 27 people స్టూడెంట్స్ వరకు
VNR college students. Yeah, some
అది
college.
అయిపోయిన తర్వాత నుంచి బట్ అంతకు ముందు వరకు ట్రిప్స్ ఉండేవి సో దాట్ వన్ వాజ్ వన్ ఆఫ్ ది ట్రిప్ అండ్ రీసెంట్లీ ఐ వెంట్ టు పాండిచ్చేరి that was great. Apart from that there's another trip that I went to last year, Gokarna. Ghat section ఉంటుంది నైట్ టైంలో we went, it was all foggy, the best. Yeah.
Or scary, whichever you want.
We were looking out but there was a lot of traffic, too many big
Acha,
trucks,
okay.
and it was raining. We went in the wrong season but definitely worth it. The view and all was
At least you have a story to share.
yeah.
There are also a couple of questions here for you.
Okay.
If you had to choose,
Yeah.
would you rather lose your phone for a week or never post on social media again?
Lose my phone for a week.
Better that
Yeah.
way, no? Okay, 1 week break. Mental
But
peace.
I feel like I don't want to give break. I want to post. Right, నేను పోస్ట్ చేయాలి. Oh my god, it's
Oh my
6:30.
god. You missed
Can
your
I do
time.
that? Can I do that right now? Oh, shoot.
So, when you feel creatively stuck, ఇప్పుడు ఏం చేయాలి, నెక్స్ట్ ఏం పెట్టాలి అన్నప్పుడు what do you generally do?
I just go with my dance videos. And sometimes, I mean, నా దగ్గర వీడియోస్ డ్రాఫ్ట్స్లో ఉంటాయి ఆల్రెడీ. I'll make a week కాంటెంట్ కానీ నేనేం కావాలని వీక్గా కాంటెంట్ చేసి పెట్టేయాలని ఏమి ఉండదు కానీ ఒకేసారి I'll make some tons, like few videos and be like, I'll edit it and then post it later eventually whenever I can. But if not, I'll make it immediately on that day, post it. డాన్స్ వీడియో జనరల్గా బికాస్ ఫ్యాషన్ మతలబ్ యూ హ్యావ్ టు గో స్క్రాచ్గా అవుట్ఫిట్ సర్చ్ చేసుకుంటూ కరెక్ట్గా ఉందా లేదా అని చూసుకొని మళ్ళీ మిర్రర్ దగ్గరికి వెళ్ళి అబ్బా ఈ కలర్ బాగాలేదా ఆ కలర్ బాగాలేదా అని మైండ్ సెట్తో ఉండకూడదని ఐ జస్ట్ మేక్ అ డాన్స్ వీడియో అండ్ పోస్ట్ ఇట్.
So your go-to thing is a dance video?
Yeah.
Whatever is trending.
Oh, that was very simple. Why did I blab so much then? Yeah.
So, ఇంకొక క్వశ్చన్ ఉంది ఇక్కడ.
Huh.
What's one thing Gen Z should stop glorifying?
What's glorifying? I have no idea.
Like the toxic relationships, the situationship stuff you guys do.
I think that is one thing. There are not a lot of people out there
There's also-
genuine ga
ఇంకొక వర్డ్ ఉంది, something that you go on a date but then you don't talk.
situationship, no?
One day thing that is. Nanoship. Nano
I
ship.
have no idea. I am
Dude,
just,
I know more about Gen Z.
I am just discovering that there is something called nanoship. I've never heard that word.
Nano ship.
also.
I've heard about it.
No, I've never heard.
You know?
See?
Guys, come
What
on.
is happening? It looks like you're more Gen Z and
Yeah.
I'm more millennial.
Trying
and
too hard.
boomer. No, but then for real, I have not gone through stuff like that. No nanoship. I've never heard. But yeah, one thing, if there's something that I want to stop, is people to be too pretendative. Like, they pretend a lot. They're not genuine anymore. But we need that genuinity more. People to be friends not because they're wealthy, but like the olden days, because they bond well, they vibe. That is what I'm looking for. But I have my circle. I have my circle. I have like 4 to 5 people. I'm very happy. But the thing is, they live far away. Doesn't matter. We still talk. We call, and that's good.
Nice. Okay. She has her friends.
Yeah, I have my friends. I stop again.
So, but from what you were saying, Gen Z are actually very open when they have to talk about anything. And even the difference between the creators also, Gen Z creators are very forward to their audience.
Yeah.
They talk about their struggles. They talk
Yeah.
about what goes behind the mind.
Yeah.
So, do you think that's this particular thing or this particular aspect of Gen Z creators sets them apart or gets them more authenticity?
I think a person should be themselves more. So I don't know if a lot of Gen Z creators are really being genuine on their profile, because I see so many people. I'm not saying they're bad, but it's up to them, because maybe they don't want to put out their personal stuff. Baitik petti malli vallundi. See, I shouldn't have done it, Annato. But for me, I feel like what I'm doing on my Instagram should be the same thing I am outside. Personal is different. That is like family matters and all, that doesn't matter. But the way you are, if I am goofy in my video, I am supposed to be goofy out there, be like, very realistic. For them to be like, dude, she connects. She is not someone who pretends. She's not trying to be someone else. So I want to be more myself, connect to people. Laga, I want the society to be. But more of the Gen Z people, either it's them trying to hide stuff, and that's acceptable because maybe they've gone through too much. But yeah, there's this thing, either they're too good or they're too bad.
Why
There's
can't
not
Gen Z
a-
find a balance?
I think they don't have a balance. Yeah. It's very weird.
Yeah.
Very.
You guys are still trying to figure out.
Oh, I definitely am. I don't know. I am very disconnected to Gen Z. I am being very honest. I am very disconnected to Gen Z. I may be the Gen Z born kid, but I am very disconnected. I don't match their vibe. I don't go out often. I look more for my comfort zone. I want to be more in my space. Like, upiradalu naku. I don't want to feel that suffocation when I'm
Ade
around
antuna,
people.
that is the more Gen Z thing.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
No, Gen
Millennials
Z-
have this pressure to go out, meet, make network, do that, do this.
A lot of Gen Z thing is showing off. Going out in the middle of the night, wanting to party hard. Do you not find that true?
Probably. Maybe.
Yeah.
Could be.
And most of the people, it's like for them to be out. Ki, this is my friend, this is how I know. They want to show off that thing, if they are wealthy or not. And these days, friendships are made only depending on if you're wealthy or not. You can ask anyone, even if someone's working, they will be like, yeah, you don't find that genuinity anymore where your generation had. Dude, you match, I match. Oh my god, that is not happening. That's not true. Yeah, people don't bond like that anymore.
Okay. Sad to know.
Yeah, definitely.
Okay. I think with that, we can safely conclude this point.
Yes.
But before we wrap up, how was Ramya as a kid?
I had my traumas.
Okay, let's not go there. Let's end it on a positive, happy note.
Yeah. I was very goofy back then. as of right now, I am too.
Still
Yeah.
still the same.
I love just the way I am. I was chubby though. I am very skinny right now. Yeah, I was. And I was very cutesy, thick hair girl with a little chubby cheeks. But now I am not, but it's fine.
Why you
I'm
cheat?
still me. I'm still goofy. I
Huh.
love talking to
without the
people.
cheeks,
Yeah.
without the chubby cheeks.
Yeah.
So yeah,
That is all for the podcast.
that's
Thank
it for
you
the
watching.
podcast.
Yeah.
You want to give any advice
Please come to Starbucks.
office?
No, but then yeah, I love this place.
That's your
trying to-
advice.
Yeah. Advice: be more you. Yeah, don't try to pretend.
Okay,
Yeah.
will do.
I'm very weird. That's awkward. Shoot.
No, it's good.
Yeah.
Thank you, Ramya, for coming.
Thank you. I love Starbucks.
I love you.